Hello friends, welcome to this new series which is exclusive for my 12th standard students. We'll be dealing with HTML lists today. Now there are three types of list: ordered list, unordered list and defined list. First we look into the ordered list. It is also known as the numbered list. So you generally have your numbers. The list is numbered one, either it is 1 2 3, or in case you can even have alphabets there as ABC. The tag that you will be using is an OL tag, and under the OL tag there is something called as list item. Now let's switch into the practical part of it. So here I have a notepad. Now a very good habit that you need to put is whenever you are writing any opening tag, make a closing tag also along with that. So later on you need not worry about whether you have closed that particular tag or not. Title, let's say ordered lists. As you all know, title is not going to appear in my web page. Title will be appearing in my title bar. Now under the body part, let's have a header saying options after SSC, and I close this heading tag. Now for my ordered list, I use OL tag. There will be a closing OL. Under this there is LI tag. LI is list item, OL is ordered list. Okay, so LI and LI close. Now within that you can write arts. Now I am a bit lazy, so I will just copy this part. Science, commerce, others. Now I save this. I say lists.html. I say save. Now to execute this, I will double click on this. So there you can see options after SSC 1 2 3 4. Just look into the coding part. We have not specified any 1 2 3 4 out here. So by default it starts with the numbering as 1. If I want to specify something, I can use the type attribute. So I say type is equal to, say, small a. Now when I refresh this, I can see small abcd. I can even change it to capital A. Okay, I can even try Roman numbers. Okay, and even Roman numbers in small. For that you will be using I. Okay, so this is about ordered list. Now there are few more things. Okay, so attribute type I have already showed you how to do it. There are the things that you can see in type attributes are your normal 1 2 3, then comes your ABCD, small as well as uppercase, and then there is your Romans. Okay, then there is something called as start. Okay, the start specifies the starting number of the first item. Now in case I say start is equal to, so you can see over here the numbering starts from 101, 102, 103. Now many places roll numbers or employee ID, those things starts from thousands or hundreds. Okay, in that case this can be used. So this is your start attribute, and there is also one thing called as reversed. Okay, we'll try that also. So what reverse will do, just as the name suggests, it will show you backward part. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 becomes 4 3 2 1. So that's about ordered list. Next is an unordered list. Now unordered list is also called as bulleted list. Just like you had OL tag in ordered list, here you will have UL tag. The list items in unordered list are marked with bullets, and the default one is a small black circle. So let's see, we'll go ahead with the same example only. I'll just do a minor change out here. I will just turn this to UL. I'll save this and run. Okay, so here you can see small circles, okay, which are black. The attribute under UL tag is type. Let's see that also. When I say type is equal to, say I have option of square, and I save this and execute. Just zoom it a bit so that it gets a clear view. So see here you can see a square. Then I also have an option of disk, which is my normal default one, and then the last option is of a circle. Okay, so here it is not marked with black, it is just a blank circle. Fine. So this was about your ordered list and unordered list. The definition list I will definitely show you in the next upcoming video. I hope this video was useful to you. If you like the video, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you. Have a great day.